Laundry detergent from Spain. Thank you, Kelly, for the package. Let's see what's inside. The good news is that it doesn't seem to be leaking, as that's been an issue in the past. Greetings from Spain. If you're reading this, hopefully all the detergent is made to you in one piece. It has. Thanks, Kelly. I wish I could have sent you so many more brands. You should start with a new series called Come Wash With Me, where you travel around the world with your stain swatches and wash in the field. Oh, that's so sweet, and I will. I'd love to. Maybe we could even do regional stains. That'd be cool. You know, for science and much deserved vacation. Much love from the tri-state area transplant in Spain, and a huge fan. Thanks, Kelly. Gosh, people are so sweet. They make me tear up. Wow, this is packed. Got a little Ariel pack. Love this. They're telling you how to pre-treat stains with their product. Here, look at that. That's really cool. I really do like that, and I wish more brands did that. Next up, Puntomatic. I guess this logo is in the washing machine and period. So just, it does all of it. Let's give it a whiff. It smells nice. Here's what one of them looks like. Pretty cool. A bit more extra on the pod than I've seen in the past, and these little corners, because they didn't really trim it, so we had to save some cost. And in general, just a little reminder, the whiter the enzyme blends, usually the green is the main detergents or surfactants, and blue is where your dye and optical brighteners are going to be. Separating it allows it to stay much more stabilized until it is in use. Ooh, skip. I haven't tried this yet, but it looks exactly like the same Ariel logo. No, Ariel or Persil. Let's see, this logo here. So we'll look at the two logos. So these are definitely both Henkel products. I really love this cardboard packaging for pods, and they do still meet the child safety standards. So I'm pretty sure you pop this in, and then you have to come off. So it has kind of these locks. Another pod, pretty. Look at this little swirly guy. Looks like a little duck. Hi, quack quack. I haven't seen Skip before, so I'm excited. We'll put you over here. So we have two Ariel products. We've already done one, a powder. So more pods, more cardboard packaging, which is cool for pods. And again, finger here, it should just lift out. I did it right, and these lock. So again, you gotta have some child safety protections, otherwise people will eat them. Ariel, basically European Tide, looks like a Tide Pod. Literally says P&G on the back, which is interesting because Tide Pods do not have that. There's 4 chambers, which is really interesting. I'm curious as to what the red one is. These are only 3 chamber. This looks just like a Tide Pod. Again, they're only telling you to max out at 2 pods and 1 for most loads, which is cool. See all their different iterations on the back. So you have the Platinum, and then you have the Lenore edition, which is fabric softener. So that would be like a Tide with Downy product. This one probably cleans really well. Let's do some liquids. Kelly, smart. Not only did you bag it, but you taped it because look at that. It still did leak, but that's okay. Let me get a towel. Usually blue packaging means it's bio-based in Europe, which is cool. What does this say? A lot of stuff that I don't know. Well, right at the top it says always put the cap that you're dosing into the drum. Good tip overall. I don't really feel like it's necessary, but it is nice. Gives it a wash. Other than that, basically says it like revives colors, effective in cold water. Branding is giving me more like value vibes. Blanca Branca. Mind if a white boy speak a little Spanish? Again, pretty light on the dosing. Dosing instructions. Let me really get close in there. Cool cap. Kind of like a squirt bottle. Let's see how it doses. It's nice. I kind of like these squeeze ideas. It's very, very jelly. Look at that. It's not moving. Look how cute. Oh my God. That is the cutest detergent I have ever seen in my entire life. I'm also just pro sheep, lamb, goats. I'm really gonna guess that this is for wool. I hope it's for wool. Nothing washes more carefully is their motto. Again, they're telling you really go easy on the dosing. Definitely doesn't have any perfume in it, and it very much just smells like a cleaning product, which is almost refreshing as someone who doesn't really like perfume in their laundry products. This is how it looks, a very slight tinge of green. I think that's really pretty, and it is a backfill, so I can just pop this back on and it'll fill refill for me. I'm really curious to see how this works. I really also want to do some research if it is okay for wool. This one's cool. It's like another Ariel kind of sampler pack. I'm guessing this one's more for colors. I do wonder what the difference in formulation is here. So that may mean they skip out on optical brighteners. We don't want optical brighteners on our dark clothes because they make the whites pop, and on a navy shirt, if you have anything that's white in the textile, it's making it pop, it'll look dingy and a bit dull. So that's usually the main difference. Curious as to what Blue Sun is, this bottom corner. Is that a distributor? It's under Blue Sun Consumer Brands, but it's licensed under P&G. That's very interesting. All right, 2 more. And these look more like local brands. We want to do a powder or pod first. We'll do this fancy lady. Look at that. That's cool. She looks so happy gathering her wheat. I'm not really sure how wheat gets involved in here. A really big pod, and they really just didn't. They don't really like to trim pods in Spain, I guess. Again, a square with a 4-chamber situation kind of going on here. Washerwoman. I think that's what it just means, washerwoman. That's cool. I'm a washerwoman. And they're telling you to put it in the drum first, which is great. I wish more pod packaging said that. It says don't eat it, which is great. Definitely getting more like a rosy lavender vibe from the scent. Definitely feels more like this is geared towards women. My gut's telling me these aren't going to clean great, but scoreboard we're saying. Last one from Kelly. All right, unfortunately, packaging kind of got destroyed, but luckily they're promoting their other products on the back. So this is Elena. I think this says effectiveness that's surprising, which is pretty cool. It's like, oh, you didn't expect us to clean that well, but here we are. Again, they love saying the range that they're good at cleaning, but this one, minimum is 30 degrees Celsius, so that's 86 F. A lot of these now are saying that they're good in 20, which is really chilly for water. It's like top cold in America. This is our lineup. Thank you, Kelly, for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products. Extremely generous to send this all the way from Spain. It means a lot to me. Decided to give them a try. It'll be cool to compare some Ariel pods and powder to other countries. We got a bunch of new local ones to give a try. A really new cute guy. So cute. Norit. But yeah, thank you. Super generous. If you want to see your country or region's products featured, unboxed, tested, shoot me a message on Instagram. That's where I'm most active. This is great. Really cool to see. Glad to see Spain represented. Thank you again, and I hope you enjoyed.